Greetings, folks. William C. Rogers back at you again with another video, and I'm from dailyincome.wcrpro.life, and we're going to talk about how to make daily income working from home. You know, it's so awesome to be able to make your own income. But even if you're already doing a job, wouldn't it be better if you also had a second additional stream of income, more commonly known as a side hustle, going on for you right now? Well, I got something for you. Let's go ahead and take a look here. As you see at dailyincome.wcrpro.life, you'll come to a page that looks like this. And all you do is you'll just scroll down and you'll see there's an area where you can go ahead and just fill in your name, email, and your phone number if you'd like to be contacted. If not, don't even worry about that. And then you're going to be introduced to a wonderful opportunity that's going to allow you to work from home. What it actually is a full training that teaches you all the ins and outs of different ways of using the internet to generate some additional income. Let me show you what some of that training is going to look like here. And as we just go on over to this page I have already open for you here, and just give us some room here so you can be able to see. We're on the inside. As you can see, the training program is called E1U Life. And these part where you see here your links, these are unique links that are given to you encoded with a special affiliate ID that also allows you to earn money selling these trainings if you so choose. And you get paid every day, every sale you make. Yeah, within 24 to 36 hours, your money comes immediately into whatever checking account you set up in our back. And if we go to the products tab and go to one of the products, the Vertex product tab, we'll come to a page that looks sort of like this. And if you notice when we scroll down, you'll see on the far right side our list of titles over here on the far right side. Each one of these titles represents a lesson, and this is in the Vertex training package. Vertex training package, and we'll just give it a second or two to load up because there's a lot of training here, as you can see just from those titles there. And we're all loaded up. You can see all these different lessons. And again, this is just in the Vertex training package alone. We have lots and lots of, we have at least 5 more packages, each with its own listing of trainings. And of course, all you do is you just click on one of the titles, and then the lesson is going to display right here on this left-hand side here. And then you simply press play. And when you press play, of course, the lesson would start. This one, as you saw, was almost 24 minutes. Some of them are almost 2 hours. It just depends on the lesson you're trying to learn. And the topics are endless of the amount of training on different ways that you can use the internet to make an income. So I just wanted to show you that, and we could also look on products here again, and you can see some of the other training packages. See these training packages? And each training package has its unique price point. And of course, you'll find out more about that once you go ahead on and opt in at dailyincome.wcrpro.life. And here's some of the lessons in the Elevation Elite package, training package. As you can see, a lot of these have to do with health and wellness type issues, because we also have that. If your body and your mind isn't right, I mean, how is anything else going to flow right? So we cover all these things. And again, that's at dailyincome.wcrpro.life. Show you that page once again. Make sure you know you're going to be on the right page when you get there. Page. Here's the page right here. It's going to look like this. That's dailyincome.wcrpro.life. Life. I'll just show you a list of all our current trainings available in the package. Let's go and take a look here. And you'll see the different training packages with their associated pricing there. And look at what it covers. That's what everything that the Elite covers. Look at all those lessons, and they're constantly being added to. It's the Elevation Elite. Yeah, you're getting all these trainings. That's what you're getting, the ultimate training on different ways of using the internet to earn an additional income. Another side hustle for you, or something that could even replace your income, especially if you start utilizing what you're learning in these trainings, and as well as if you decide to sell the training packages yourself, because any one of these packages that you yourself purchase, it also gives you the right to sell it if you choose. You're already getting the training of everything you need to be an online master, to be an internet marketing master, to be the one who now has the knowledge to use the internet to make side additional income. And you're getting 85% to 90% of the commissions off of these things. For example, if you were to purchase the Vertex for $275 and you would sell it, resell it, you would get $250. And I'm talking like within the next 24 to 36 hours, because as soon as you make a sale, you are immediately credited with that sale and you get paid right into your bank account. It's awesome. You just can't imagine the feeling that comes to you, that overwhelms you when you start getting these payments in. But like I said, that's only by choice, because you could also use these trainings yourself and just do your own thing, have your own side hustle going, or you could sell these packages. And don't worry, because the training to sell them, well, a lot of the training's in these courses itself, but as a bonus, when you join me today at dailyincome.wcrpro.life, I'm going to include with you a special traffic page button, which is going to give you all kinds of resources for getting people to your link. Remember that special link I told you you're given with your affiliate ID encoded? Well, you're going to need to drive people to that link so they can see the offer, right? So you can get some of those daily pay, right? Some of those $250 or $500 or $1,000 daily payments, right? You want to get that. So you're going to want to know how to get people there. Don't worry, because like I said, not only is the training there in this particular whole program itself, but I have my traffic button pages, which I'll show to you in just a second. And that page is going to look like this. And each one of these buttons that you're seeing here, each one of these colored buttons, go to a unique way to get traffic coming to your links, or whatever, any type of page you might have out there. You may have some more web pages. Even got free email swipes you can use. Got a funnel building and autoresponder service you can use. Ways to get free traffic. It just doesn't stop. And even a bonus at the end here. But the only way to get my traffic button page is to go ahead and sign up at dailyincome.wcrpro.life. L-I-F-E. That's right, folks. Going over now, you'll get my traffic bonus pages and even a few other surprises that I have for you. Hope to see you on the inside. Thanks for watching my review on a quick way to making daily income using the internet. I want to say peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.